Alright, so today we are testing our headset with occipital alpha. Here's our electrode setup. So we have the yellow electrode.
The yellow.
And that is placed near the occipital lobe. There is another version of the experiment where we can take the white electrode, the one right over here, and we can set these up in difference mode. But we're not going to do that. We're just going to use the yellow electrode. This is the configuration for the board that we have. So yeah, we're just putting it in. We're just putting it at the bottom pin, and we're not doing the difference here. We're just getting whatever we get from the occipital lobe. And then we have the ground and the bias both on the ears. And here we have our GUI. All right, and you can see that so here is our setup for the filters. So we have a max frequency of 40 Hertz, and then with a max voltage of 100 microvolts, with 0.9 smoothing. All right, so okay, 3, 2, 1, close your eyes. 3, 2, 1, open. 3, 2, 1, close. 3, 2, 1, open. 3, 2, 1, close. 3, 2, 1, open. And yeah, there you have it. We have collected occipital lobe alpha waves with our awesome headset.